What is going on? My favorite tool, the Porta Power. Racking columns. Back up bars nice and tight. Tighty tight. So here's my root opening. I 2-pass it. As you can see. A little side profile. That's it. Then off to the races. I build it out. I'll do my root. I'll do 1 pad, 2 pads, and then I jump over and do the other side. You know, like these are some of the fit ups. Like I just did the other one. Look what I got. Massive. The inspector doesn't care. He loves it. I make it work really good. He's very, very happy. Some big gaps, but no problem. I'm at 25.8 on my bolts, 182 on the wire speed. I'm running it super rich, and it's just the way it is. Just want to give you a little shout. Just wanted to say what's up. Thanks to all my subscribers. There's some people that I haven't talked to in a while, haven't seen. I just wanted to say what's up. And nice to see you're checking me out, and it's all good. Just keep welding, keep working hard, keep mastering it. I'm gonna finally figure this out. This next LRA, you know, it's a different animal. I still am a Lincoln guy. That's all I can say. You know, it's a beautiful thing. Getting ready to take lunch. Thank you, and I'll have some good videos coming up, and stay safe, and God bless America. And thank you. I miss them towers. Later.